Now to my colleague Shweta Verma, who is also reporting on this. Shweta, आप मुंबई में है, महाराष्ट्र से एटलीस्ट 3 अरेस्ट हैं जो फिलहाल सामने आए हैं, पुणे, नासिक और अहिल्यानगर से। इन लोगों के बारे में क्या पता चल पा रहा है? इनके क्या लिंक्स थे उन लोगों से जो राजस्थान में अरेस्ट हुए हैं और गुरुग्राम में, केरला में जो ये सर्कुलेशन किया गया है, उसके बारे में क्या अभी जानकारी हमारे पास है?
Well, that's right. In fact, as you have clearly mentioned that how it was the interstate as well as well-coordinated nexus across the country. And as per the investigators in Central Bureau of Investigation, they have been talking about how very closely these networks were working. Now, let me quickly tell you where I'm present. Well, my video journalist is also showing you the spot where now Mumbai police is actively present. They have detained few of the protesters, those who were protesting. But meanwhile, as we speak about the entire investigation panning out, firstly to begin with, in Maharashtra, the CBI team arrived yesterday in early evening, wherein they reached to Nashik, and in Nashik earlier, in fact, they detained a student of BAMS named Shubham Khairnar, and after detention, there was interrogation that took place, and later he was arrested with the help of Nashik crime branch, and later on the transit remand he was brought to Mumbai, and now he has been remanded 2 days of transit remand by the CBI court, and he will be taken to CBI Delhi, and the further interrogation would be taking place. Having said that, there are 2 more arrests that has taken place in Maharashtra. To give you the second details arrest, it has taken from Pune. A woman named Manisha Wagmare has also been detained, remember, initially, and she was being probed by by Pune police as well as by CBI officials, and later on she was shown arrested. The third important person in this entire nexus is from Ahilyanagar, identified as Dhananjay Lokhande. Now, what is the relation between Dhananjay Lokhande, Manisha Wagmare and Shubham Khairnar? To begin with Shubham Khairnar, remember, he is the person, as per the primary information, it said that through Telegram, the app, he accessed the paper and he actually purchased the paper for apparently 10 lakhs. And later on, he had forwarded the paper and sold to other people in Haryana, in Rajasthan for 15 lakhs and so on. Now, these people were selling the NEET so-called guest paper, remember, for other students ranging from 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs for some 10 lakhs per student. They were charging this hefty amount to sell the guest paper. Apart from this, when we talk about what exactly role was Manisha playing in this, it has apparently been seen that Manisha, who has been detained in Pune, in fact, she was in touch with the students there. Remember, more than 22 lakh students have appeared for NEET UG 2026 this year. And Manisha, being in Pune, she was in touch with couple of students who had apparently shown their interest to purchase the guest papers. And Dhananjay Lokhande was directly he was connected with Shubham Khairnar. Here are 3 important names that has emerged in entire nexus from Maharashtra. What we see from Shubham, he has been taken in CBI custody. In fact, he has been given transit remand. They will be taken along with the other accused to Delhi. But as of now, we see that important nabbings that has happened from Maharashtra by Central Bureau of Investigation. Remember, since yesterday evening, in fact, the CBI officials were here in Mumbai. You talk about they were there in Pune as well as in Nashik. Right. They have nabbed 2 people, and Dhananjay Lokhande was nabbed later on, and 3 people have been so far been arrested in this alleged leak case of NEET paper UG 2026.